Hello students, I hope all are fine and are doing your studying properly. Okay, so let's start today with a new topic, molecular genetics. Let's study in detail about molecular genetics. So the mental theory, your mesentery, the traits and the appear, disappear magically from the one generation to next. So the mental work, the patterns of heredity and reflect the transmission and the parents to offspring. So the information is located on the chromosome and the most advanced realization of human knowledge and the unique character encoded within the molecule of DNA and the protein determine the shape, cell and rate of chemical reaction and the photosynthesis, metabolism, heredity, nature and the information of the construct the organism, the number of genes, the number of chromosomes and the structure of DNA, RNA. So this is the molecular biology important points, the DNA, RNA, protein. So the DNA deoxynucleic acid and the RNA ribonucleic acid and protein. So the DNA self-replication, so the important points. The genome contains the complete set of the hereditary information for the any organism. So the genome may be divided into number of different nucleic acid and molecules. Then the nucleic acid molecule may contain large number of genes. A gene is sequenced within the nucleic acid and they represent single protein. So the structure of DNA, its replication, the process making RNA from DNA transcription. So the genetic code for determines the sequence of amino acid protein synthesis, that is translation. The regulation of gene expression and essential for human genome sequencing. Gene functional unit of inheritance. So the important points, a gene is basic physical and functional unit of heredity. The concept of gene was first explained by Gregor Mendel in 1860s. So the important points were, number of genes in each organism is more than the number of chromosomes. Then several genes are located on the same chromosome. So the another point, the genes are arranged in a single linear order like beads on a string. So the third point, the gene occupies specific position called locus. Genes in several alternative forms called allele, and the gene's sudden changes position is called mutations. Genes are the self duplications producing their own copies. In search genetic material, so chromosome, nuclein, DNAs, RNAs, proteases. So the yearly 1848, Wilhelm Hoffmeister, German botanist, had observed the cell nuclei organized into a small rod-like bodies, mitosis called chromosomes. In 1869, French Miaucher, Swiss physician, isolated a substance from cell nuclei and called as nuclein. So it was renamed as nucleic acid by Altman 1889 and now known as DNA. So by 1920 become clear chromosomes made up of protein and DNA. Many experiments were carried out the study of actual carriers of genetic information. So the DNAs, an enzyme which destroy DNA, and RNAs, an enzyme which destroy RNA, proteases, an enzyme which destroy protein. DNA is the genetic material. So the Griffith and Hershey experiment prove the genetic material of DNA. So the many biologists deposit the earlier experiment of Griffith and Avery. Others still believed that protein, not DNA, was a hereditary material of cell. So eukaryotic chromosome consists of roughly equal amounts of protein and DNA. It was said that only protein and sufficient chemical diversity and the complexity to encode for the information required for genetic material. So 1952, the result of the Hershey cheese experiment provided the evidence that DNA is a genetic material. Hershey and cheese experiment on T2 bacteriophage, it is important point. The Alfred Hershey marathon cheese 1952 conduct the experiment bacteriophages that infect bacteria. So the methods and result, Hershey and cheese needed to be able to examine different parts of pages they were studying separately, so they needed to isolate the pages subsection. Viruses were known to be composed a protein shell and DNA, so they choose unique label with a different elemental isotope. This allowed each of the observe and analyze separately, since phosphorus is contained DNA but not amino acid. Radioactive phosphorus 32 was used to label the DNA contained in T2 page, and the radioactive sulfur 35 was used to label the protein section of T2 page, because sulfur is contained in amino acid but not DNA. So look at the picture carefully. So experiment testing protein and testing DNA. So the first, the protein codes radio labeled. Second, the bacteria infected and no radioactivity enters cells, and page grown with radioactive sulfur 35. Then centrifuge and radioactivity in supernatant. So the conclusion, protein or not genetic material. And the experiment 2, testing DNA. So the base DNA radio labeled and bacteria infected, radioactivity enters cells, and the base grown with radioactive phosphorus 32. Centrifuge, radioactivity in pellet. So the conclusion, DNA is the genetic material. Chemistry of nucleic acid. So identify the genetic material as nucleic acid, DNA or RNA. We perceive the chemical structure of this molecule. Generally, nucleic acids are long chain or polymer of repeating subunits called nucleotides. The nucleotide subunits 3 parts: nitrogenous base and 5 carbon sugar, that is pentose and phosphate group. Look at the picture. This is pentose sugar. There are 2 types of nucleic acid depending on the type of pentose sugar. So the deoxyribo sugar is called deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA, and those ribo sugars are known as ribonucleic acid, RNA. The DNA is found in the nucleus eukaryotes and the nucleoid of prokaryotes. So the only difference between these 2 sugars is there is one oxygen atom less in deoxyribose. This is important picture. Look at. So DNA bases adenine, uracil, and adenine, guanine, and sometimes uracil. These code for the amino acid phenylalanine, and the GGC, guanine cytosine. This is code for glycine amino acid. So this is important. So DNA bases, other one, the methionine, AUG. So the adenine, uracil, guanine. These combinations for production for the amino acid methionine, and the AAG, adenine, guanine. These combination produced lysine. So this is important. Nitrogenous bases of DNA. So this is important. These bases are nitrogen containing molecules having the chemical properties. So the substance that accept H plus ion or proton in solution. So DNA and RNA both having 4 bases, 2 purines and 2 pyrimidines. So the nucleotide chain, the 2 of the bases adenine and guanine have double carbon nitrogen ring structures and are called purines, and the thymine, cytosine, uracil have single ring structures and are called pyrimidines. So thymine is unique for DNA and the uracil is unique for RNA. Nucleoside and nucleotide. So the nitrogenous bases of chemical linked to the one molecule of sugar at the one carbon of the sugar, forming a nucleoside. When a phosphate group is attached to the 5 carbon of the same sugar, the nucleoside becomes a nucleotide. The nucleotides are joined polymerized. The condensation reaction forms polynucleotide chain. The hydroxyl group 3 carbon, the sugar, the nucleotide forms ester and the phosphate of another nucleotide. The chemical bonds that link the components of adjacent nucleotides are called phosphodiester bond. So the ends of DNA RNA are distinct. The two ends are designed the symbols of 5' and 3'. The structure of RNA. So you can think of RNA molecule as a disposable copy of segment DNA. So in many cases, the RNA molecule is a working copy of single gene. So the ability of copy single DNA sequence into RNA makes possible for a single gene to produce hundreds or even thousands of RNA molecules. So RNA is a ribonucleic acid. It is important for. So another one, the phosphate functional group. So the phosphoric acid, the 3 active OH groups, of which 2 is involved for strand formation. The phosphate functional group and gives DNA and RNA the property of an acid substance that releases H+ ions or proton in solution. So the physiological pH hence the name nucleic acid. RNA world. So the important for this RNA world, cell contain the 10 times as much RNA and DNA. So the high RNA content mainly due to the variety of role played in RNA in the cell. So the Conrad and Sinker 1957 first demonstrated that RNA is the genetic material and RNA containing virus like DMB, Doboka mosaic virus, and they separated RNA from protein, the TMP viruses. 3 molecular biologists in the early 1980s. So they proposed the RNA world, the first stage of evolution. The RNA catalyzed all molecules of survival replication. And the RNA world first used Walter Guilford 1986. And the hypothesis RNA first genetic material on earth. There is now the suggests the essential life process, metabolism, translation and splicing. So the RNA, there are several biochemical reaction living systems. They are catalyzed by RNA. This catalytic RNA is known as ribosome, and the RNA being catalyzed reactive and unstable. So the chemical modifications and the DNA double-stranded molecule having complementary strand and resistor changes by evolving process their repair. So the RNA molecule function as gene regulation by binding to DNA and affect gene expression. So some viruses of RNA in genetic material and were of the opinion that RNA is active ingredient and chemistry of life. The types of RNA is very important. Protein synthesis like Handy Factory. So protein synthesis, Handy Factory. So this is important. You learn mRNA transcript from DNA. So the messenger RNA, and the messenger RNA leaves nuclear and travels to cytoplasm and ribosomes, and the tRNA binds to amino acids. So alanine and phenylalanine and valine, these are all amino acids. And tRNA binds with the mRNA trophs of correct amino acids. So the trophs of correct amino acid choose, and this polypeptide chain grows completed protein either used to sell or packed in exporter. Nitrogenous bases of RNA. So the DNA and RNA both have 4 bases, the 2 purines and 2 pyrimidines in their nucleotide chain. So 2 of the bases, adenine and guanine, have double carbon nitrogen ring structures and are called purines. The bases thymine, cytosine and uracil, these are all amino acids, have single ring structures. These are called pyrimidines. Thymine is unique for DNA and the uracil is unique for RNA. Difference of DNA RNA structure. You learn, look at the picture. So the thymine, cytosine, adenine, guanine, this is nitrogen bases, and the nucleobases, the single strand. RNA is a single strand, DNA is a double strand. So the RNA nitrogenous bases, uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. DNA RNA differences in sugars. So the sugar deoxyribose and ribose, and the purines adenine guanine and adenine guanine, and the pyrimidines cytosine diamine and uracil cytosine. This is RNA, and the occurrence, the DNA is nucleus and the RNA is cytoplasm and nucleus, and the double helical structure, that is DNA, and the single structure for RNA, and the function, preservation of genetic character. So the second, the RNA protein synthesis, very important for protein synthesis. And the seventh point, types. So the deoxyribose is one type and the ribose is three types. Transcription, the DNA to RNA. So the important points, I am multicolor used. So the multicolors are, the red colors is important points. Okay, so the RNA polymerase add complementary nucleotides starting at the gene, that is promoter region, the brackets starting signal. So the during transcription, and the RNA pole binds the promoter, and RNA pole unbinds the separates the double helix, and RNA pole moves along the nucleotide of DNA, and the RNA pole continue and reaches the stop signal. So the RNA pole, the adding complementary bases AU and CG, there is adenine, uracil, and CG, cytosine, guanine, and the RNA pole is released along the RNA molecule. RNA polymerase. So this is important one. So the transcripts all protein encoding genes and some small RNA encoding genes. So the protein encoding RNA, the RNA pole 2 is called mRNA precursor or hnRNA. So the 20 to 40% all cellular RNA synthesized. This general transcription factor, the RNA pole 2 control initiation class 2 genes. Now once again recall all the points. So gene is the functional unit of inheritance. What is locus, what is chromosome, what is allele, and the mutation, and the insert the genetic material, chromosome, nuclein, and the next the DNA, RNA, DNAs, RNAs, and the DNAs in the genetic material, and the Hershey and Chase experiment of T2 bacteria batch, and the next the chemistry of nucleic acids, pentose sugar, nitrogenous bases, the phosphate functional group, and the nucleoside and nucleotide, and the RNA world. These are all important. So the now the time homework. So make 10 short question answer, make 10 fill in the blanks.